Okhulumela iqembu le-ANC uthi kungenzeka iqembu le-EFF balimeme futhi kuhulumeni ubambiswano okanye-ke uhulumeni obizwa ngokuthi-ke i-GNU. Nakhona-ke lapho abacabanga ukuthi uma ngabe sebewumema liyobeke selijoyina-ke leli qembu le-EFF njengoba-ke ethi isizathu ebesenza ukuthi-ke iqembu lingajoyini okanye leli qembu le-EFF lingajoyini ikakhulukazi nje bekade kumnumzane Floyd Shivambu. Uthi-ke njengoba sihambile wajoyina-ke iqembu lomkhonto wesizwe kungenzeka ukuthi-ke iqembu le-EFF selizovuma ukuthi-ke lijoyine lo hulumeni. Uthi-ke nakhona imbangela ebiyenza ukuthi-ke uFloyd Shivambu engayifuni kangaka into ehlangene-ke ne-ANC ingenxa-ke yomholi wentsha yeqembu-ke le-ANC. Ngicela ukuthi-ke uphinde uyizwele ngawakho uma ngabe usuqedile ukwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi ucofa subscribe ya like bese uyakhomenta. Sidibane kwividiyo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.
We've invited everyone, open the door to everyone, including those that have no offices, which their offices don't know where they are. We've also invited them to the GNU. The EFF was also invited to the GNU. Maybe now that Floyd is gone in the EFF, maybe we must invite them again because we know that the stumbling block there was Floyd because of his hatred for the African National Congress. Now with the new development, maybe they might want to come and re-engage. But SACP was engaged on all of these things. That's why they've deployed. The SACP national chair is the Minister of Science and Technology. Some of the Central Committee members of the SACP and cabinet, others are deputy ministers, others are ministers. Now, they are a party working with us in the GNU. Now, we believe that anything that they are saying is just populist stance. But look, the best GNU we'll love to have in the future, maybe, if we're to be honest, maybe it's the SACP. Because the only ones that we believe that might move towards the left properly is the SACP. There is no EFF or Mkhonto weSizwe that is left lane towards any other progressive direction. Now, there's no difference between that and them and the DA. They are all political organizations. If you can check who is funding them, you'll see they are all funded by the same people.